Hello everyone and welcome to the cooking show. So today we're going to be making cereal bars and we're going to be making some juice. So don't worry about all of this, just push it to the side, it'll be all right. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make cereal bars. So you take some cereal, don't worry about measuring it, you can just eyeball, it will all work out fine. Now, we're going to add some peanut butter to our cereal bars. So, go ahead, grab some peanut butter. Again, don't need to measure. Just, mix it around. Now, we're going to start on the juice, okay? So, we're going to be filling up this container with water. I have some water already in it. So, we're going to put some more water in here. Oops. Spilled a little, don't worry about that. You don't need to clean it up, it's okay. Then we're gonna add some of the powder. Don't worry, you don't really need the instructions. We're just gonna add eyeball amount. So let's add some in. So you guys can see here, let me move this. Okay. So, yeah, you don't really need a new spoon. You can just go ahead and use the same spoon. Oh yeah, mix it up. It's okay if some of the pieces get in there. Don't worry about that. And then, don't forget, we do need to keep stirring this. Okay, so keep stirring. Now, our juice will do better if we heat this up. So, I'm just gonna put this on the stove here. Now, it's okay if you need to go do something else while you're, cooking, because that's going to sit on the stove for a while. No need to be in the kitchen. I might go mow the lawn. Don't worry about it, okay? Now, once our cereal's all mixed up, we're just going to go ahead and put it in a pan, okay? Oh, just don't worry about the hair there. We're just going to go put it in the pan, and then we're going to let it sit for a little bit, and then we can cut it and enjoy. Hello and welcome to the cooking show. So the first thing we want to do, make sure you've got a clear area where everything is cleaned off. Today we're going to be making cereal bars and we're going to be making some juice to go along with that. So we want to make sure that we have everything ready to go. I've got all my ingredients here. I'm gonna first check out my recipe. So I've got the recipe here and it says it calls for 2 cups of cereal. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure that. We have 2 cups of cereal, okay. Then it says we've got a half a cup of peanut butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here. Go ahead and measure it. Once you've got it in, you can go ahead and give it a stir. So we're just trying to mix it all, incorporate it all. Now, in terms of the juice, now we're gonna get started on the juice. We're going to fill this container up with water. Oops. So if you go ahead and wipe that spill out right away. Okay, so I'm going to add the powder now. We need just a teaspoon of powder according to the recipe. So I'm going to put in a teaspoon of the powder. Here's my jar there. I'm going to grab a new spoon so I don't get the spoon. I don't want to use the same one so I don't get it dirty. I'm going to actually use a spatula. So I'm going to stir this up. You can see the color there. And then I'm going to heat it up on the stove to make sure everything dissolves. So I'm going to set it on the stove and make sure I watch it and pay attention to it. Once you have your cereal bars all mixed, you can put them in a container and you can let them sit before you cut them up.